The value of Arbitrum's ARB token has dropped significantly since its launch 2 days ago. This has led to a surge in sell-off activity and a drop in the number of unique holders. Despite the drop in token demand, the total value locked on the Layer 2 scaling system has risen by 2%. Optimism experienced a surge in daily transactions count in January. However, since its program's conclusion, the number of transactions has fallen by 67%. This article provides an analysis of the growth and decline of Arbitrum's ARB user base, daily transactions count, total value locked, and unique holders following the token airdrop on 23rd of March. It also compares the daily transactions count of Arbitrum to that of Optimism's following the conclusion of its Optimism Quests program. The data from on-chain providers such as Glassnode, Dune Analytics, Arbiscan, DeFi Llama, and Etherscan show that, despite the waning desire to hold on to ARB token and a steep fall in transactions count on the network, Arbitrum's total value locked rose by 2% in the last 2 days. In addition, Optimism has suffered a steep decline in daily transactions count since its Optimism Quests program ended in September 2022. Deutsche Bank AG's shares dropped by as much as 14% on 24th March, marking the third consecutive day of losses. Despite the stock recovering from its worst losses, it closed more than 8% lower at €8.54. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said that Deutsche Bank had thoroughly modernized and reorganized its business model and it is a very profitable bank. Other European banks also saw their share prices drop, however not as much as Deutsche Bank. Meanwhile, Deutsche Wertpapierservice Bank announced the development of WP Nex. This platform will offer Bitcoin trading to retail customers. The value of BTC has increased by nearly 40% since the SVB collapse. Proponents of a decentralized banking system have suggested that a trustless financial system is the only way forward for a stable economy. This article provides an overview of the current state of the banking industry, with a particular focus on the impact of Deutsche Bank AG's share price decline. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz has expressed confidence in the bank, despite its stock dropping significantly over the past few days. The article also mentions the development of a new platform, WP Nex, which will offer Bitcoin trading to retail customers in the second half of this year. The article highlights the contrast between the performance of Bitcoin and the banking industry, with Bitcoin's value surging by nearly 40% despite the financial crisis. This has led to Bitcoin maximalists underlining the sustained performance of BTC amidst the crisis, as they advocate for a decentralized banking system. Crypto, quant analysts TerraConchain and Wominkyu have found that Bitcoin, BTC, might experience several corrections. They have also found an extreme resistance level at $29,000 to $30,000 before reclaiming its $30,000 psychological price mark. According to their analysis of the unspent transaction output index and the 10K plus UXO value bands, there might be a potential correction in Bitcoin's price. Additionally, there might be a possible accumulation of BTCs by large holders. The MVRV ratio is still in the positive territory. This indicates that holders will generate a profit of 2x if they were to sell their coins at the current price. This article discusses the analysis of TerraConchain and Wominkyu, two crypto quant analysts, to evaluate the likelihood of Bitcoin reclaiming its $30,000 psychological price mark. TerraConchain's assessment of BTC's unspent transaction output index for coins within the 2 to 3 year age range revealed that the realized price for this category of coins is $29,700, making the price mark a critical resistance level. The article also mentions that another crypto quant analyst, Wominkyu, warned that the 10K plus UXO value bands might be indicative of large holders of BTC accumulating the cryptocurrency at a low price. Furthermore, the article states that BTC's exchange reserve has been trending downward since 19 March, and its MVRV ratio is still housed within the positive territory, incentivizing investors to accumulate more BTCs.